Hi everyone, and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Penny, and this is Penny's Coding Bits. This channel is dedicated to bring you weekly bite-sized videos with practical solutions to your everyday data analytical challenges. And in this video, I am going to address the question that's been on everyone's mind lately, which is,
Will AI replace me?
and I intentionally left this question in a general format because it is not only a possibility that AI will replace certain jobs in people's occupational life, but AI will replace some of the aspects in your personal lives as well. So let's have a deeper look into this issue. So, in order to address the question of if AI will replace you at your job, I would like to introduce this concept of manual thinking. So, if you think about 99% of the time of what you do at work, chances are you are using a manual way of thinking through a problem to get through the task at hand to complete the job that you're trying to get done. And this type of thinking is involving an algorithm to solve a problem. But don't you think the AI can work better than your brain to solve the problem at hand for you? So instead of manual thinking, we could all use AI to automate thinking to help us solve problems. So as an accountant, you can use AI to figure out how to do your tax returns for your clients. And as an engineer, you can use AI to get through your engineering design for your clients. And don't you think in the near future, we could see an AI robot standing in the courtroom to defend their clients? It could very well be possible. So at this point, you might ask, if we are automating all of the manual thinking that we are currently doing at work ourselves, then what will our roles be at work in the future? Well, I am always a big believer that if we delegate the repetitive and heavy thinking work to machines, then we would free ourselves up to do more meaningful and creative thinking that makes humanity a more meaningful way of being and the human life a better experience. So at this point, I would like to bring everyone back to the idea of the iceberg. So the original idea was that 20% of the iceberg is above sea level and 80% are below. So in a typical project, I would say 20% of the time are spent on ideation, and that's the above water part of the iceberg, and the rest are manual thinking and doing to bring the idea into reality. Imagine if we delegate all of the manual thinking to machines, how much time we would free ourselves up from to spend on more creative thinking and come up with better ideas to make better products and services to make this world a better place. So, more specifically, you might ask what kind of jobs will survive the AI revolution. Personally, I think that with our current industrial setup in place, the people who have human relationships already set up, those will stay with those people who have built those relationships. And those who have great ideas to bring to the world that have not been experienced by this world before. Those will be the people who will not only survive this revolution, but will bring themselves to triumph. I hope you find this short video useful, and I'll see you in the next video.